Hey there, viewers! Summertime can be pretty hard on our bodies. All the booze, partying, and patio eating certainly can take a toll on your waistline. What you need to do is find delicious foods that are also healthy. It's not as difficult as you think. It's sometimes as simple as a trip to the fridge. Here are 7 healthy summertime snacks you want to eat. How often do you have Greek yogurt? When was the last time you ate watermelon? Do you like avocado? Wait, iced coffee? We're talking all that and more. Number 1. Shrimp. We're kicking things off with a seafood platter staple. Many people hear shrimp and immediately associate it with foods eaten by the wealthy elite. Well, here's a humble truth. Not only is shrimp easily accessible, it's healthy too. You can grab some at your local grocery store right now. Shrimp may not be a goldmine of nutrients, but it does have a ton of antioxidants. This protects your cells from damage. Research shows that the antioxidant astaxanthin can prevent your skin from wrinkling and lessen sun damage. This comes in the form of pigment you may find in many seafoods. If you're simply interested in losing weight, you'd be happy to know that shrimp is low in calories. I mean, really low. Just a single medium piece of shrimp is about 6 calories. They're also incredibly low in carbohydrates. Where you do run into issues is in cholesterol. Having just 4 medium shrimps can amount to 12% of your daily cholesterol. This puts a strain on your heart if you're eating too much. You also have to be careful about how you cook the shrimp. Whatever cooking method you choose, just avoid deep frying. That's the least healthy kind of shrimp you can eat. Despite these issues, shrimp is an ideal food to serve at your next backyard get-together. That reminds me, have you ever caught your own seafood? When was the last time you went fishing? Sound off in the comments below and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2. Cherries. There's sometimes nothing more comforting than a bowl of cherries on a summer day. It's a simple snack that's easy to prepare. They're also super healthy. A single cup of cherries carries around 18% of your daily vitamin C recommendation, not to mention 10% of your potassium value. This same quantity will also provide you with a decent amount of fiber. Cherries benefit from antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and cell damage, helping you fight disease. Looking for something to eat after your workout? Cherries are perfect for relieving muscle pain after an intense gym session. This fruit also boosts your performance during exercise. A study from 2016 found that runners who ate cherries for 10 days straight saw their speed increase by 13%. So if you'd like a quick snack to eat on the go, have some cherries. Number 3. Blueberries. If you had an outdoorsy grandparent, you've probably been blueberry picking at some point in your early life. Blueberries are another healthy summer snack. Not only are they low in calories, they're also known as the king of antioxidant foods, and it certainly lives up to that title. Let's focus on bad cholesterol for a second. Bad cholesterol, or LDL, can lead to heart disease. By eating blueberries, you're slowing down this process. Antioxidants reduce your level of bad cholesterol. A study done on obese adults showed that 2 ounces of blueberries every day can lower LDL by almost 30% over a span of 8 weeks. On top of cholesterol, blueberries also lower your blood pressure, preventing further risk of heart disease. They can also improve your brain health. Research has found that the antioxidants in blueberries assist the parts of your brain essential to intelligence. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a wise side item to enjoy with your breakfast. It contains probiotics, which help to boost your immune system and reduce risk of stomach issues. Pain in your abdomen is unbearable in general, but when it happens during the summer, it can really put a damper on all your plans. These probiotics will also improve your mood. Studies have found that probiotics can reduce your stress levels, making you a much happier person. Greek yogurt also provides plenty of calcium. This helps your organs function better while allowing you to build stronger muscles. The potassium found in Greek yogurt also lowers your blood pressure, balancing out your sodium levels and reducing your risk of heart disease. A single serving of Greek yogurt provides almost 10 grams of protein. You are recommended to consume between 46 and 56 grams of protein each day. Protein is needed if you're trying to get in shape. It's also needed for your immune system to thrive. Before we continue, are you still trying to work on your summer body? Perhaps you should check out our latest video discussing how much water you should drink to lose weight. Now back to our list of great summertime snacks. Number 5. Avocado. You just can't do a list of healthy summer foods without mentioning avocado. Not only can you slice up pieces to eat, you can also spread avocado over your toast or make guacamole to serve with finger foods. Avocado provides several crucial nutrients. These include vitamin C and folate. Just a single serving contains 26% of your daily vitamin K recommendations. Vitamin K reduces blood clotting and strengthens bones. There's also more potassium in avocados than in bananas, not to mention a heck of a lot of fiber. Just one avocado holds 48% of your daily fiber intake. Fiber helps you feel full for a longer period of time, feeding your healthy gut bacteria and allowing you to lose weight. Number 6. Watermelon. When you think of summertime, it's hard not to picture a juicy watermelon laid out over a picnic table. If you haven't eaten watermelon in a while, it's about time you got caught up. When it comes to watermelon, the health benefits are endless. Yes, it has multiple nutrients that are important for your body. What nutrients don't assist your body in some way? Watermelon serves so many other functions. For one, it keeps you hydrated. Watermelon is 92% water. Being outside in scorching hot weather can leave your body begging for a little H2O. Have you ever heard of lycopene? This is the scientific name given to that red pigment you see in things like watermelon and tomatoes. Lycopene is another antioxidant. It works to stop inflammation and protect your body from heart disease as well as cancer. In the way of physical improvement, watermelon is healthy for your hair and skin. This is thanks to vitamins A and C. Vitamin C in particular produces collagen, which strengthens hair follicles and keeps the skin looking fresh. If you're planning to spend your day in the sun, don't worry. The lycopene will do its part to protect you from a serious sunburn. Number 7. Iced coffee. This one will probably come as a surprise to you. In all honesty, it shocked me as well. Iced coffee may not be packed full of essential nutrients, but it is low on the calories. This is something you really need to think about when going through summer. We tend to eat a lot more fatty, carb-filled foods when we're out with friends, not to mention the sugary drinks we buy. One regular cup of iced coffee contains around 50 calories. This is before all the sugar or added sweeteners. If you would like a light caffeinated drink that isn't too hard on your waistline, try iced coffee without sugar. Much like regular coffee, cold brew coffee boosts your metabolism. The higher your metabolism, the more calories you burn. The caffeine in iced coffee can increase your metabolic rate by 11%. Caffeine also increases your mood, making you a happier person. Studies have shown that coffee in general can lower your rate of depression. One piece of research found that adults who drank a cup of coffee per day saw a decrease in depression by 8%. These are all things to consider the next time you pull into the drive-thru. Do you eat any of these foods? Which is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video, and enjoy.